At RoofRight, we believe every homeowner should understand what goes into protecting their home. Today, we're taking a closer look at some of the most important siding components, elements we often get questions about during renovation projects. Soffit. The soffit covers the underside of your roof's overhang and plays a key role in ventilating your attic. Proper ventilation helps regulate your home's temperature and reduces the risk of mold and mildew buildup. Fascia. The fascia is the board that runs along the roof edge. It connects your roof to the walls and provides a secure place for gutters to mount. It also creates a clean, finished look along the roof line. Shutters. Shutters can be purely decorative or fully functional. Typically mounted alongside windows, they enhance curb appeal and can offer additional protection from wind and weather. House wrap. One of the most important, yet often overlooked components of any siding system is the house wrap, also known as a vapor barrier. This breathable membrane sits between your exterior walls and siding to block moisture, preventing mold growth and potential structural issues. At RoofRight, we also offer low-E insulated house wrap, which improves your home's energy efficiency by helping retain heat and air conditioning, often leading to noticeable savings on your energy bills. Frieze board. The frieze board is a piece of trim that fills the gap between the top of the siding and the soffit. It's both decorative and functional, adding a polished look while sealing off that joint from moisture and insects. Frieze boards come in a variety of styles and materials to match your home's design. Siding is highly customizable and can be tailored to match your exact style. Many homeowners choose accent pieces to elevate their exterior design, such as active or inactive gable vents, decorative light blocks, or even combining multiple siding profiles to create visual interest and distinction. Replacing your siding is an exciting opportunity to transform your home, but we know it can feel overwhelming. We hope this video helped break down some of the key components that make up a high-quality siding system. If you're ready to take the next step, or if you'd like to explore your options further, you can schedule a free on-site estimate with one of our exterior renovation specialists by visiting us at roofright.com. Thanks! We'll see you in the next one. RoofRight is a licensed exterior contractor serving Greater Maryland and South Central Pennsylvania.